Hello everyone, my name is Aarti and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This time I'm attending Google Cloud Next 24, which is happening in Las Vegas. So here I am in Mountain View office and I'm staying in this beautiful, cozy, small cute room which is only for the Googlers. So and available on a very reasonable price. So let me give you a quick tour of this room. So this is the entry. This is the that's me. Just forget that. And that's the bathroom. They have all kind of basic amenities over here. And then we have the very comfy, cozy bed. Uh, what else? One workstation or a workplace. Then there's coffee brewing machine, and then one little sofa, cozy. And then we have this. As you can see, that's Google Office, and in a couple of minutes we'll go there. Believe me, it's been raining from past 2 days and it's too cold, like too cold. So right now I'm heading for my breakfast, and after that I'll catch up with you. So yeah, this is the corridor and that's my room, and you can see this. Yay! Isn't it beautiful? Let's head out.
It's so peaceful here, especially on a Saturday morning. You won't see many people around, which is a nice change of pace. This campus is seriously impressive. It's completely all electric and net water positive, meaning it gives back more water than it uses. And check out the roof, it's covered in this amazing dragon scale solar skin, the first of its kind.
Can you believe this? It's an open gym with this view. Crazy. Look at this.
This campus is designed to foster creativity and collaboration. Everywhere you look, there's something cool to discover. Well, I apologize that I cannot take a clip inside the campus because of you know what I mean. Well, that's it for our Google Bayview adventure. In the next video, we'll be exploring some of San Francisco famous attractions. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you thought of Google Bayview campus.